Welcome again to the Ellsworth Public Library's Tips and Tricks for Beanstack. We have shown you how to register, we've shown you how to navigate your dashboard, and in this tutorial I want to just walk you through what happens if you forgot your password. Now we at the library are more than happy to help you navigate account problems with your Beanstack, so you're always welcome to give us a call or send us an email, and we will do our best to help you navigate this as well. But let's say you haven't used Beanstack since the last summer, and it's winter reading Frozen February fun right now, and you have not written your password down somewhere to keep it for when you forget, and that happens. So we have come to sign in and we are stuck. We have put in our username or our email if we've entered an email that the account belongs with, and we have forgotten our password. Simply click on Forgot Your Password, and you're going to put in your username or your email. Now, it is a little tricky if you do not have an email attached to your account. You will have to visit or call the library and help us, and we'll have to help you reset this. But if you know your username or if you have an email address, and if you have an email address attached to this account, you can just click on Reset Password. And it will have sent an email to that email address, and you can find that. When you've clicked Forgotten My Password and you have your email address attached to your account, you will get an email that looks like this. And it will say, "Hello adult, someone has requested a link to change your Beanstack password." And you go right here and click Change My Password, and it will take you in to a spot to re-enter and create a new password. You type that in, update that password, and you should be all set to go back in and find your readers. If you don't have an email address attached to your account, remember, we're more than happy to help you at the library and get renewed access to your Beanstack account so you can get to the work of logging your reading and activities for our challenges. Next up, we will show you how to log your reading and your activities. So look for our next tutorial.